ngadon menta be iwe ni kna pule ibla pynpaw ya ka jngai ha ka be day bat kani ka CUET exam centers ka bakila yo shaba jong jylla ti phila ni thu ni kong kapteng ge jong phi ka school ba phi pas
nga kerteng chunga ka dei tin shan simli ban nga pass na po St Anthony's Higher Secondary School lan khla
ti plan batai ka ek ba pulong thai ya phi ba ya wan ta si man pynpaw ya ki jngai ge jong
ni kong ni shap te habang yo ya ka tuka intimation slip ma ni kong te nga ba I perlok junga idan perlok junga na we nambu plang ha ka tu ngi kapor bang yo ek ni intimation slip teng ngilai perkhat ke ba namar bakala snajing e shibun ndai tang yang aru hi ibun hi beriu rumjo ki balong kum ngahi ki dong mar ki bun ki beriu ki balong kum ni bamla le sia ka yo ka kot ban lek chudu sta se jngai ban lek tho tang na ka banta ki exam tang nam tai tai CET ban lek tho chudu sabar ke namar bakani ka CET ka malai kran hoi kalong compulsory bangin tho kembala ong yang ini kino hikai khna bangin yo admission na kum ka college babiang ni hasor shalong te kum ki St Anthony's College ne ki sian mas ne ki kwa yangi bangin pandap shwa CET namar ba ki shim first choice wa admission ki shim shwa ki bala pandap CET antala adap nang ta ki sa shim padi ki ba ki bamle CET ta ka tengi pat ha ka jing kwa yo admission hang ni hasor ha ki jing kwa yo admission ki school ki college ki biang tengi kwa hi ong ban pandap
long kidon ki ong ba kin ha banyale exam schools menta ki de ha ko ti next center ki yo shki be pa ki jaka hadu ka nu ni ta ya ka yo ka jeng ki kna ki ba de na ki long ki bam da ka yo ka kam da biang no
lada kalong kumta te ka ta shibun ya ki long yeng long sam ki baduk ki basuk bapli khamtam gi nong gandong namar ba le se kiru ki kwa hi ban thoi gani ki city khna bakin yo college ko mani asor shalong bon wan puli e tang ba le se da kalong no kumta kum bun ki perlok jonga ki bedel nong gandong ki basa ste ki le kran ban nga tu si gi ong ya ba kala shem jinge ba yangi bangin lik tho chudu jorhat lani shade sha tespuri e namar ba ki kimla than ban afford ma le se ki kimi ki paru teng la dangi lej mangi tang mi khna ro kamlong ong bangin lej sate tengi habyalam lai mei pa ngi habyalam ki men ki para te le se kum ka paper jing ti we khna ibadan khanyo tare kasdang te hadin sadan biang arpusa te teng ka gap kalabun da kalabun ka gap ka jing saru kalabun hakti ka hat po kum example jorhat ne tespur te ban sa site ru kam de ka bakai na ka banta kimi ki pa namar ka bala ka singiru ki du no maki ndai baki ndai namar sate kin khap susa itu ban sanrani ki khoni e te yala di ru shane ka kam ka singi ka bala ka ket nong kala du no na ka banta joki te kiru kila Allah arsha pasla sha te ki khna ru kumtahi te kata kala kata shibun na ka banta ki boduk besuk ban na ka banta jingi lada kalong ta
ketengi panchan chwa kharmalki dep jaga class 12 jonga na St Anthony's Higher Secondary School ke center jonga tanga yo hi Shillong taba ngawan nang ni ban nirap lang perlok dari ban pen snow ban keren iki ba ke center bat kumba ka friend circle ke jonga ma idon kumba nyo se prangut perlok de nakitu ki prangut tang manga ba yo Shillong bat ngas ka ba solingo ba hadu nyongot ki bun ba yo sebar gen ke kenik la abu jing e hadu kata ta bat ki bon hiru ki khna e bale gani ki bon na kalong yeng ka bamla bo bamkat gen te ka jingkeli kalong ma banta ka ban kong hi ka chief reason jong ani hi ka dei bet kumno te ban mi ta ka bai flight namar bato pendele chisen nang ni shagoti lani to nang ni Kolkata sorry lani nang ni sha asab lani sha kono ka jelaru Semua nak book apa flight mentasing ini, ni book bi hanton tu hi tanang turuk la rem lupa. Di semua ada examination jangan kadon ha lesi ha kandai terik. Te ngadon biang sok wi pada ha sau terik. Teng ha ban book biang am sok wi ka flight. Ten tu kla bu jingjar ka jingjar si kadai e gani ki kimi ki pa pat kla dei kata ka emotional burden ka bat ka financial burden mo ju ka por ki kimi ki pa. Te ngasu kentu hiru bat nimdan por syo ka por la khim so palat ngasu kentu ya ka sarkar pakan simna ita ka immediate action because sir the CUT is just right around the corner. Please take this issue as soon as quickly sir. Ngasu kentu hi ya I sir badan burab jingi minister bapat jong ka tanat puli puthi wa bansim ka pen state pen speed up na ikani berkhaj namar ba la Tuesday ram baklang dan ke first paper te by Monday trying happen submit na berkhaj ki city Asia isa Tengah syukur men berokat ke nyai baik but kat ni ki kena kelawan. Tengah syu kentu lang ki kena berok ki CUET aspirants but ki non CUET aspirants tu bakin wan syahmat ban ai ngi ka jikersan ka keti ka mon jeki ma ka keti ka diang jeki namar ba ka lakhim ko palat ka pot ko ong ip mene tela da sarkar hi kam shimkhia ka ni mo ka issue ka long very crucial kham tam ngi kena benta pule im to but bro ikitu ki non CUET aspirants tu bala da kam shimkhia hi te bai monday ngim ban se in happen stang ki keja agitation protest but benda day ban boycott kan examination hi happen boycott ban se Tengah syukur pat red ya ka sarkar bapet bakmi ya kan ni bakan shim ya kan ke issue khamkloi gen pen state kam no igani bro kan kita ni
How many students are rallying behind you?
ya kata tengim pat ngapala ong pick exact numbers mo in say pet to sni tamba katu kan ni supporting la yo
nga kerteng Ryan Jeffrey Lingdo and ngadi student jong ka St Anthony School
Your center hai
ngayo center ha Kolkata, and this is my fourth preference. So I opted, the first preference was for Shillong, the next was for Guwahati, the third city as well, and the fourth city. So the fourth city is Kolkata. Tinga ngayo hapo Kolkata, and it's not just me, many other students too kiyo hapo ka fourth preference. So my question is that if you are giving four preferences, well, it should be in order. First preference, second preference, and third preference, and subsequently the fourth preference. But then Balei ni yo daka center hapo a fourth preference when the first preference is not filled yet. Mo ki students badai napo Nabaru, badai napo Manipur, Balei ki wan yo hangnya Shillong. Why aren't nong Shillong? Kena students from Shillong. Balei dalade maki kim yo po Shillong. Balei ki students bala Nagawati yo Shillong, na Mizoram yo Shillong. Okay. If you want to mix the students, give different centers for them, then why not in the same state? In the same state, there are at least 2 or 3 centers. So that is my question. Balei nimyo
Satu filap le pynpaw ya gani ka jong phia khamat sarkar.
Ni ngin sa pha kani koi ka memorandum, la tho ka memorandum, and we will share it with the press as well. I'll share it with you. So kani ka memorandum ngilai tho ya ka yo CM yo Conrad. So we will be submitting this on Monday itself. So since today is a Saturday, Kakanga Secretariat, we can't do anything as of now. But then we will submit this memorandum by Monday itself.
The menu fi yo ikini ki letter ki jong phi ba lapai phi lapen banai phi yo ikini ki center hapo
Okay.
exams.
Kani ka center ki ong advance information notice ba kya mo? Kani ngiyo ha ka sngi Wednesday. So within Wednesday, Wednesday, Tuesday class dang ka exam. So previous Wednesday ngiyo ikani ka notice. That means ngiyo tang Hindu sngi ban prepare. The Hindu sngi fin prepare fin perkhat tang ban revise ya syllabus. Ne fin perkhat tang ban kalait kawan ho. You have to decide for your accommodation, your travel expenses, the time for traveling. All of this within 1 week. Kam jinjari students at least 2 weeks live in iPod he can set yakal plan jeki.
Ngasung tu ba phi hakin ki sni plashim ya ka response ka tu ka ni wot ki khna pulien dei ha ba ya dei ba kani ka jingbhah ka jingbhah kani ki centers kan te na ka tu ka jingbhah te bi feel ni ka polling ka jong fi ka response ko phi yo.
The response mainly is the concern mo concern jeki students ba maki kia tho ba they are getting a center in a fourth preference, in the third preference. Some of them like yo haka jaka bagi kami prefer hira. They didn't give a preference. The kini students ki yo shaduh shata they kia ong they were expressing ba how NTA has failed them. Mo kila prepare bhai ka ne ka CUET exam kini I 100% ne kini CUET exam kila dong fully prepared tamba menta just because kani ka center jang ki kila jngai kila jngai in a center they are not able to go till that center they have to miss no any opportunity. The same thing happened with CET PG as well. So I know someone bana day na po PG CET say maki ki ban ki qua admission hapo ka Nihu is centrally affiliated kamut pa kila adopt yaka CET. So if you do not write from tho yaka CET exam they from la new admission po ka Nihu they Minta, this girl, she has missed her opportunity. Okay, she has missed her chances of studying in a central university, even though she has the capacity. Minta kani ka state ka jongi we need bright students. We need bright students. So we have the mind, we have the intelligence, we have the manpower, we have the students ki balong very capable ban ai kani 100%. Tangba chi ong day no ba ka NTA. kala set ya ke examination centers in such an unjustified manner, they even the opportunities baki like give ya ki khynnah jong ka state mo capacity jong ki khynnah jong ka state kala long suppressed just because kami yo raban attend ya ka exam. They also demoralized. Menta suppose ngong ba tong and no next year mo and for next year ka CET exam. They one entire year has been wasted. So this brings down their motivation, demoralizes them. Ka moral jong kiru kala herspo te yakata kari ka main concern bakila express hakne ka survey bangila conduct jongi hapo ka Google Forms.
Ti nakajing tip ka jong pin dei ka ai ka center ka bajngai do population
Ka center bajngai do bangala yo sngo manga. He's also part of he's a batchmate jongi na po school. New yo shaduh sha Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So when you shaduh nam Andaman Nicobar Islands thing smothora kumno how in the first place he yo kata, although he didn't give that as a preference. Minta as we know the conflicts between India and Pakistan. So Gujarat and we say Jammu and Kashmir and other states who are bordering Pakistan. Kine students ba yo center kine jakalele 100% he natharai kinum.
Students by your
As
centers.
I am not only speaking from what students from Meghalaya,
Okay.
but I'm just saying NT as a whole because this is a world a nationwide problem. Baki face ki woi ki khynnah na po nation ru ba ki yo suppose meta for Gujarat. So Gujarat is just bordering Pakistan. So because it's bordering Pakistan, then students ki let's say Maharashtra if they fly to Gujarat, that's also difficult for them. So I'm talking about pan India. Not only about Meghalaya, but then the main issue kari jagi states jong is people from Mizoram, people from Assam. We do not have enough examination centers, but then we are mandated to write this CET exam in order to get our admissions into central universities and affiliated colleges.
Hello, ngade Yafi Lanyoko, thank you. But currently I'm studying at Anthony's College. They ngana shudap CET min last year. They ngaliling bahay kini kijing kan last year. The same issues, and last year it was about kini kijing kulma kumflayos ngongi ha nihu, but kajang kiwi ki exam centers kan. They long very long ke bala jala sing adang mot ba like this year te long mo the government will make initiatives kan ban improve my kini ki preparations henry kalong very disappointing kalong ba susi shisha bani iba the government is not doing anything kan ban long kam saliate ya ki no the youth's voice kan mo ban at least do something more like because last year ami lalit sha respectable rakam sangma and we brought some certain conditions kan ban improve mo kanika education system regarding CET, and one of them was that they'll make preparations ba kanika snam 2024 kinum dan shoot ki jingduna kanika process mo jang CET henry this year ngi iba mentally la khampalat shu ki khynnah ki sha alert sha jngai and long the state government should do something there, should take our voices to the NTA and katar long mentasking nila yosngo ba today in the morning ba ka state government kala appeal ya ka NTA henry ka ba kajingkili kalong ba Balei hadu mentakan day earlier there because kum vi osngo ba Monday kila khynnah ma kila asang exams te kan long ka jinjar ha ban make changes ru nama bekidan ki ada book flight ada book train tickets ru long takai.
Last year for your center shay.
Oh, last year tiki allocation of kini allocation tiki dang biang ngayo long actually.
Hakajing I ka jong pin dei. Hatu pi sngo ba kini ki center support long kila long biang ban belong I kum kini ki examinations.
I'll be honest mo last year I was at a certain school. There kata kam kampoi shikipat ba because there was no media coverage kan ya kata ka school. There we went through some problems also because kahol like the infrastructure kan kata main point kadika infrastructure bakang pat biang tiki facilities like I'll take for an example mo we were in a room shibon ha ki khynnah kadi one big hall and kam announce like kam dante microphone ban announce ba ka test class start mo there a few of us ki ba shong shakmat ni poi start kata satu the last 3 minutes of the test te kata kala one ra jing haba in score te na tapat nila eting nila akul ma jingmut mangin yo ki desired colleges ma ban yo thap ki marks jangi ting nila atik na bakin sadu na bet. My message to the government is that please listen to the voices of the youth, because we are the future generation and we are the future of Meghalaya, okay? Listen to our voices ki ikini ki jingdawa ki demands ki bangi wanyalam, especially education ma, and di banshim stinkte because it's from here kan but Meghalaya will grow into a beautiful state. Meghalaya is a beautiful state and like this, like Ryan said also, we have manpower and we have children with a lot of potential kan. It's about time that we use this potential, the capabilities of the students here in Meghalaya to bring about change in our state.
Ka keteng jonga di Azrul Kriam dengan pas nak school St. Anthony's High Secondary School.
Okay. Your center shay?
Ngayo center hani Shillong. Tang ba ngayo ka kubor babon ki kena jong ka region yo saka jylla Shabar. But petkum kani minta yo intimacy slip ba yo saki jylla Shabar. Te so ka admit kadu ki ong ban release ka shwa kasni azne license shwa ka exam. Shubo la book ka ticket, suppose la yo sa Kolkata. Shubo la book ka ticket, la book ko hotel. Lalit ki kena te sa ka jaka ka center pat shubo ka dedi ka ba jngai naka hotel kinla men book sai so ka wi ka hotel pat. Te ki kena ru kini po daladap HSLC jongki iladap kia yalet sa coaching center ban penkre ekani ki CUET ban baki perkat baki nyot center shani Shillong baki nyot ki hopes jong kiru kira he kin baki nyot shani center ban nyot tho yakani exam baki nyot kilik ban lecha ki colleges ki university ki babha tang ba kani ba penmi yakani intimacy slab ba ka wan ba di bayo sa jylla Shabar ki pen duanong kin ki pen di pilong demotivated no yaki kena kin kumbang atib yo wi kena ba uyo saka Mizoram. Why first preference ka Shillong, second preference ka Guwahati, third preference ka Nagaland, fourth preference ka Mizoram. Uyo saka fourth preference Mizoram. Kami pa jong tau kena kim don ka bisa ban pynpaw tau kena lemne marwairu lemne kimla ban senran lang yau ki ong tokun nai lechu ba ngim don pisa ban yu ki shulit belano wan oda ka kam hadu class 12 ki kami kila pa yu ta kena ban khre tang yau mancha pa sakui ka jylla ba umla ban tho tang na ka bajingjar ka pisa tengi ong te ni ki kena baro ni kum last year but this year ki bon ki kena ki bat top HSLC ki on top list ki wan na po ki snong ndi datang ka soru bon ki balawan na ki snong ki balawan pen bon ba ki balawan penra ya ki keteng jong ki snong jong ki da ki school ki ba ngasu ong ki snong nong kindong ki ba pen ki wan ha po ka top 10 list jong ka HSLC exam kita ru kimyo pat ban le kimpat nang ya kani ban kumno ban le ya kani ko computer based exam te kumno kinyat tho ya kani ka exam kani ka CUET krem ding start chabang kani ko computer hoit kani ka kabha palat ya kani ka NDA ban ai da kani computer based exam ban pen wan cha khamat ya ka rijongi bandum sakuder shadin ban thod open and paper tangba ngim don facility ngim don computer based facility deshni ban yaki khana ban tho kumno kan long kata ngau shwa ban ong ya ka go sarkar ban pen provides facility yangi baro ki khana hangni ki ban
empower yaki khana pule technologically
hoi ban pen available mo ya ka yakini center computer room
tikum tu pila ya sngo ya ka surgeon ki katu ka ninggo ti khna puli ki bdang sudah pass ya ka HSLC examination dan ya ka class 12 examination knang bakin dang pandab ki jing puli jong ki ha ki class ki ba he ha ki colleges but university bat ka ke bangi la yo snow na ki ka long ba kila pynpaw jing ha ka bai dai bat ka jingbhah ki centers ki jong ki ban le ya ka CUET examination te gidon preng juki ki ba ong ba kidon ki ba yo shaduh ka jylla shaduh Union Territory Andaman and Nicobar ha ka ba kila pynpaw ka jing kham tam ha ka bai dai bat ka lai ka wan na bat bon na preng juki kimkot la ni kim don financial capabilities makin pha ki kon juki shdo shatai te don na preng ki jong kiru ki ba ong ba ka sarkar ka don kam ban bai khmat chi ni khna ban pin bai ya ni ki jing ha ka ni ka lia ki don ru ki bala bernyam ba kin hap shim ngo de ki ra ki bating hado ban da poi ru kata ka jing boycott ikani examination la ka sarkar kam pay ki score la ni kam pele jing mud ya ka ni ka jing par ka jong ki kita dah dengar Syam yang pi hak away pada kapor pada kawai pada kubor ngadai bangkit mauri naga benta ufo front media kublai kupor jong pi baro